In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to design quotes in Canva. Whether you want an inspiring poster for social media or a clean print for your wall, this quick workflow will help you get a polished result fast. Start on the Canva homepage and head straight to Templates. This is the quickest way to see professionally designed layouts that you can adapt to your message. Templates are organized by category, so it saves you from building a design from scratch and gives you a strong visual foundation. In the search bar, type quotes poster. That phrase narrows the results to layouts specifically made to showcase short text. You'll see options in a range of styles, from minimalist to bold, plus different orientations that work for Instagram, stories, or print. Take a moment to browse through the template options. As you scroll, look for a layout that matches the mood of your quote. Check readability first. Strong contrast between text and background, enough breathing room around the lines, and fonts that stay legible at smaller sizes. If you see a small crown on a design, that indicates a pro template. You can either use it with a pro account or keep browsing for a free alternative. Pick something that feels close to your vision so you'll have less to change. When you found a favorite, click Customize this template. Canva opens the design in the editor, ready for your personal touches. Now edit the template to make it yours. Replace the placeholder text with your quote, and, if you like, the author's name. Keep line breaks intentional so the message flows naturally. Adjust font size to create a clear hierarchy, and limit yourself to 1 or 2 fonts for a clean look. If the template's palette doesn't suit your brand, update colors from the toolbar. Aim for high contrast so your words pop. You can swap background images, apply a subtle filter, or switch to a solid color or gradient to improve clarity. Use alignment guides to center elements and fine-tune spacing with letter spacing and line height so the quote breathes. Consider adding simple accents like a thin line or quotation marks, but keep embellishments minimal to let the words lead. Preview at 100 to check legibility on screen. And, if you plan to print, make sure important text stays well inside the margins. That's the process. Open templates, search quotes poster, browse thoughtfully, customize, and refine the details in the editor. With these steps, you can turn any great line into a standout design in minutes.